Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce Network Salesforce Developer Tutorial. Topics what we are going to cover in this session, that is database, database.insert, database.saveResult, database.upsertResult, database.error. Database. Database class contains methods for creating and manipulating data. The DML insert statement is a straightforward way to insert records into Salesforce. It is simple to use. Database class methods return the results of data operation. These result objects contain useful information about the data operation for each record, such as whether the operation was successful or not and any error information. Each type of operation returns a specific result. It means any operation fails, remaining will run. Asynchronous call means multiple threads will not wait to complete a task before proceeding next. It runs as multiple thread like insert save result class, update save result class, upsert result class, delete result class, undelete result class. Database.insert. It is a predefined Apex class defined in a namespace of database. Database.insert used in bulk operation. In case of an error, the remaining records will be inserted. Only the records throwing an error will not be inserted. This class contains the result of an insert DML operation returned by a database method. Database.saveResult. It is a predefined Apex class defined in the namespace of database. This class contains the result of an insert or update DML operation returned by a database method. DML on every record will return on database.saveResult. Methods. Get errors. This method will return the array of database error occurred. If no errors, return an empty set. GetID method returns the ID of the S object that we were trying to insert or update. IsSuccess method returns true if DML operation was successful for this object. Database.upsertResult. It is a predefined Apex class defined in the namespace of database. This class contains the result of an upsert DML operation returned by a database method. DML of every record will return on database.upsertResult. Methods. IsCreated method. This will return true if the upsert operation is an insert. This will return false if the upsert operation is updated. IsSuccess. This will return true if the DML operation was successful for this object. If it fails, return false otherwise. Database.error. It is a predefined Apex class defined in the namespace of database. It represents information about an error that occurred during DML operation performed using database method. GetFields method. Syntax. List of string getFields method. This method will return an array of field names on which error has occurred during DML operation. GetMessage method. Syntax. String getMessage method. This method returns an error message generated during DML operation. GetStatusCode method. Syntax. Status code. GetStatusCode method. This method returns code that characterizes errors. So let's see an example. Create an account service to demonstrate the database methods. So to do the practical, just log into our Salesforce account. So to open the developer console, just click on setup, right click, open link in new tab. So to demonstrate the database methods, we are going to see this class, public class account service. So insert accounts, public void insert accounts, list of account. We are creating a variable account list. So use database.insert to insert accounts with partial success handling. So database.save result, creating variable results equals to database.insert account list, this list, and we are passing false. Iterate through the results to check for errors. So for we are creating a variable of type integer, I equals to 0, I is smaller than results dot size, what the data it's holding, dot size, and incrementing I plus plus. If result of I is not equals dot is success method, handle the error account failed account equals to account list of I. String type error message equals to results of I dot get errors method and get message method. So system.debug, it is using to display the information failed to insert account, failed account we are displaying dot name, and for error we are displaying error message, this one. So in this we are using database.insert, database.save result. Thank you.